Close your eyes. Tell me what you see inside. Tell me what you feel inside. Hold me close. Baby, you're my universe, and I'll always put you first. Oh.
Hey guys! It's me again, it's Neezy. And I'm back with another video, and for today's video, I am going to be doing this makeup look that I came up with. Very glowy, dreamy, euphoria vibes. And para siyang may pagka-mermaid. I am totally living for this look. And also, I'll be sharing with you some new makeups that I got from Perfect Diary. And I cannot wait to share it with you. So, if you guys are interested to know more about it, then please just keep on watching. So, I have a lot in here, as in, I am really excited to share it to you. And most of the products in here are eyeshadows, lippies. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ako ka-addict sa lipsticks. Because I really wanted to make different and unique looks in the future. Ay, hindi tayo pa ulit-ulit sa everyday makeup, diba? Para hindi puro polvo at lip tip. Anyway, I'm going to be swatching it one by one. Yes. So, the first thing that I have in here is this Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Loose Powder. Since naka-foundation na tayo and all, hindi pa nasa-set. So, this is how it looks like. Very slick. Ang ganda ng package niya. Feel lang niya is parang medyo high-end. Pero kapag hinawakan mo siya, parang plastic lang siya. It's like, meron lang siyang ganyan. And ang taray ng lalagyan niya. I'm gonna be setting my face with this. So, tignan natin kung blur niya nga yung aking fads. So, yan. This is the before. Medyo oily pa. Hindi ko nagagamitin yung sponge. So, ang Perfect Diary is a brand from China. And isa sila sa pinakasikat na cosmetic brand doon. I believe top 3 sila. And you guys, this is available in LAZADA. So, very accessible. And yung price nila, hindi siya masakit sa bulsa. Very affordable. So, yan. Maganda yung finish niya, in fairness. I like it! Ganda. Para siyang photo finish. Yung feel niya, para siyang velvet. Hindi siya parang sobrang matte, na hindi naman siya nakaka-dry. Tsaka hindi siya parang makapal. So, yan. Very lightweight. So far, I am loving this. Since wala pa akong eyebrow. So, this is their dual-ended hexagonal eyebrow pencil in dark brown. You guys, yung shape nito, sobrang kakaiba. Tapos, ang nipis niya. Pero, ganyan lang siya kadami. Sobrang onte for its price. Gusto ko yung mga gantong tipong eyebrows na sobrang nipis. Kasi, madali mo ma-fill in yung brows mo. Sobrang precise. Meron din siya sa kabilang brush. Hindi siya masyadong matapang, which I like. Very soft lang siya and natural. Para siyang microblading. Yung itsura niya and yung strokes, parang kaya mong pikein yung strands. So far, I like their brow pencil. And meron din ako ditong liquid eyeliner nila. But I'm not pretty sure kung gagamitin ko siya sa look na I'm going for today. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung itsura niya. And it looks like this. Very simple. Pen type siya. Very easy to use. And what I like about this is ang ninipis ng strokes niya. So, very easy gamitin. And mahilig ako sa eyeliner ng manipis lang. And yung half lang. Pero ito naman kasi, it's in the shade brown. And smudge proof siya. Hindi siya madaling matanggal. Now, let's proceed sa face. Well, sa face pa rin naman tayo. I have two in here, which is yung Sculpting Glow Face palette nila. Meron tong blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And I also have their Stardust Diamond Highlight Powder, which is sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda ng packaging nila. It looks very high-end. Especially yung highlighter. Very intrigued ako sa highlighter nila dahil ang ganda. So yan, this one is in the shade number 2 and this one then is in number 2. This highlighter reminds me of the Fenty Beauty na highlighter kasi parang merong ganito atang itsura.
Oh, look how pretty!
And also, what I really like about this is meron silang mirror. So, very easy lang mag-retot. Ang linaw ng mirror nila. Kasi lang mamahalin, pero pag nahawakan mo naman siya, para lang siyang plastic. Medyo heavy naman siya. I'm going to be using the bronzer first.
I'm going to be dipping
this one. Tama lang yung pagka-brown niya sa skin tone ko. So, hindi siya masyadong light. Natural lang. Ganda rin siyang pang nose contour. Try natin yung blush. So, parang medyo peachy siya. Ayan, hindi masyadong putok na putok yung blush. Parang coral lang siya. So, very natural lang siya on my skin, which I like. Now, let's proceed sa highlighter. Hindi nga lang siya parang buttery yung feel. Damn! Sobrang blinding nitong highlighter na to. Try natin yung isa. So, let's see. Yeah, parang iba yung pagka-highlighter na to. Yan, parang naman tong real glitters. Kaya parang medyo powdery yung feel niya. Very natural tong isa. Then this one naman, parang blinding siya. Tsura niya, parang glowy. Parang gusto ko tong isa na lang. Kasi yun yung look na peg ko today. Parang very glowy and dreamy lang. Try natin tong highlight na to sa ilong. Damn! I like yung highlighter na isa. Now, let's proceed with eyeshadows. My favorite part dahil, you guys, ang ganda nila. So, I have a lot in here. Yan, may singles, may palette. Dito muna tayo sa mga singles. Can we just talk about the packaging? Dahil, look how pretty. Ang taray! Yayamanin. Yeah, meron tong available na 41 shades. So, magkakaiba sila ng finish. Merong matte, shimmers, glitters, and a lot more. And you can make your own palette with their refillable case. So, ang taray ng packaging nila.
I'm a sucker for art.
Parang yung feel niya very high-end. I love that it has a mirror in it. Tapos magnet siya. So, pwede mong ilagay itong mga to dito in case na gusto mo silang dalhin for travel purposes. And so, I'm going to swatch this one for you guys. This one is in the shade D06. Yeah, para siyang glitters. May buo siyang glitters. Ayan. Taran! Ang ganda! Very euphoria vibes. Diba naman? I also have RO1. Damn! Parang buttery siya. And OMG! Ang sobrang tapang niya. Sobrang pigmented. This is in the shade Q01. Ooh, makintab ba din? I like it. Tapos merong shimmers and matte finish. This is in the shade L05. Very buttery siya, which I like. Yung pigmentation nila is on point. Na-excite na akong gamitin tong mga to. Hindi ko na talaga sure kung anong makeup look yung gagawin ko ngayon. And last na shimmer is in the shade LO2. 1, 2, 3. Damn! And lastly, itong matte, which is in the shade VO5. So, very natural lang to. Very neutral. Ganon. Ewan ko lang kung lalabas yung color. Oh! This one, kahit matte siya, hindi siya ganun ka-powdery. Yung pigmentation niya pa rin is on point, as you can see. Ganun. Hindi ko lang sure kung paano ko sila tatanggalin sa loob para malagay ko dito sa case. Mas gusto ko sila nandito kaysa nandito. The next one is their Explorer palette. 12 color palette to. This is inspired by the eyes of the animals na makikita mo sa Discovery Channel. Charan!
Ang ganda.
Very neutral. Brown. And may mga shimmers. For everyday use talaga siya. Kaya yung cut yung pinili ko. Although marami pang choices na available like tiger, panda, wolf, and a lot more. And I like how it has this tiny paw print. Feel niya very high-end. And yung details din talaga nung mismong palette yan. Mararamdaman mong
legit.
parang luxurious. And I really like the packaging so much. Very detailed. Para siyang may mga strokes, kunwari, ng parang balahibo. And ang cute nung names. Canned food, dry food, cat bell, rattan ball. Yan. Very pigmented siya. Hindi siya powdery. Nakikita ko na siya na very blinding. And yung pigmentation niya, taray. Tin, 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 tin. Ang ganda ng reflect niya. I cannot wait to use this palette for my future look. And I love that it has a mirror in it. So yan, ang laki ng mirror. And then, lastly, my favorite. So, ito yung Fantasist eyeshadow palette nila. This one naman is inspired by Chinese National Geography. So, ayan, ito yung parang makikita mo sa country nila. Like, yung mga scenery, yung mountains, lakes, which I am a fan of. Ito, yun, yung makikita niyo yung gloss na yan. Mararamdaman mo yung texture niyan. Alam mo yun, parang pinag-isipan. Ganda. Pati sa likod, oh. Okay, I'm gonna show you yung inside. You guys, be ready. Be amazed. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Charot. Yung color nung mismong palette, ganun din yung loob, which I really like. Parang color ng mountains, and ang cute to. This is Gorgina. Sobrang creative nitong Fantasist eyeshadow palette nila. Ito yung parang pinaka na-amaze ako, and nagandahan talaga ng bonggang-bongga. I love everything in this palette. This one is in Danxia. Ito naman parang mountains. Tada!
Ang ganda talaga!
This one naman is parang mga red. Onting orange. Damn! You guys, I highly recommend this palette talaga. Okay, let's proceed na sa eye makeup na hindi ko alam kung anong eye makeup yung gagawin ko.
Call my name whenever you feel so afraid. 'Cause baby, we're one and the same. Trust in me whenever you feel sad and lonely. I'm your one and only. Cause you are the one.
We are finally done with the eye makeup. So this is what I came up with. Something different, something unique, something out of my comfort zone. I'm really happy with this look. Now, finally, let's move on with the lippies. I have a lot in here. Sophisticated and very luxurious yung feel. Very high-end.
Hindi ko pa sinasabi.
So, ayan. Ang cute oh. So, I have this tiny Glamour Select Velvet Mini Liquid Lipsticks. Claims na long wearing daw siya, and it's a velvet matte finish. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, velvet din siya. Ang liliit nila, ang cute, and I feel like ang gaganda ng colors niya. Ayan, meron daw full size. So, let's see kung maganda siya. I'm going to be starting off with the shade VO8. Sa camera parang ang light niya, but in person, medyo darker siya. Yan, maganda yung shade, parang medyo pinkish. So, the next one is in the shade VO7. Parang sa bottle, parang siyang medyo orangey. Maganda siya pang gradient lip. And it smells nice din. Parang siyang candy. Very pigmented siya. So, onti lang ilagay mo, kakalat na yung pigment. Okay, the next shade is VO1. Ganda ng color niya. Parang may pagka-reddish siya. Parang pang Korean. And then lastly, si VO2. Parang medyo darker siya na red. Parang may pagka-berry. So, I also have their light shimmer water stain in the H15. Para siyang may pagka-brownish. May minty feeling. Tapos para siyang gloss. Tapos meron siyang scent na parang amoy gamot. Ang weird ng amoy niya. Pero yung color niya maganda. I like it kasi kakaiba yung color niya. Meron siyang onting stain, pero sobrang konti lang. Okay, so the next one is this Ultra Irresistible Light Everlasting Lip Veil. Ang taray ng pangalan. Ang taray din ng packaging, gold. This one is in the shade G11. Amoy tong donut. Sarap kainin. I like this one. Ganda ng shade. I like it. Para siyang matte, pero nagtatransfer siya. Para siyang MLBB. Ganda. Ganda, ganda.
Wow.
Okay, and I also have this Perfect Rouge Ultimate Color Lipstick in 001. It looks like this. Ang bigat niya. Para siyang metal, yung feel. Tapos, when you open it, damn! Look at that! Beaut! Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda nung finish. Parang ayoko nang gamitin. Ang ganda nung color. MLBB din. One thing I don't like about this is yung smell. Parang siyang may smell na hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi siya pleasant. But yeah, I really like the color. So, very creamy, smooth. Hindi siya bitak-bitak. Hindi rin siya nakaka-dry. And lastly, I have this Starring Gold Rouge Excess Lipstick in C01. Look at that! Gold siya lahat. Very mamahalin ng peg. This is how it looks like. Grabe, ang ganda. Matte din siya. Tapos para siyang may texture na ang tawag nila is floral design. As in, super ganda. Too exquisite. Diyos ko, packaging pa lang. LV who? Tom Ford who? Charot! No, parang siyang nasa brown din siyang tone, which I like. Ang ganda ng color. And that's it! And yung top 3 na favorite ko dito is itong palette, yung single shadows nila, and yung dalawang bullet lipstick. I really love how the palette looks and yung combination niya from the colors, shimmers, and glitters. Sobrang ganda and yung pigmentation nila is super on point. And yung single shadows nila kasi packaging pa lang, pak na. Diba? Sobrang elegant, sophisticated. Pigmentation-wise, maganda rin. Parang same lang sila nung eyeshadow palette. Lalo na yung shimmers nila as in sobrang blinding na parang metallic na siya. And of course, lastly, yung lippy nila. I really love how it feels. And yung itsura niya din, OMG! Para siyang mamahalin. As in, legit na high-end. OMG. I highly recommend this one. So, yeah, that's it. I really enjoyed swatching and trying on these products. As in, sobrang nag-enjoy ako and I hope you guys did. And especially the look that I came up with. Sobrang happy ako dito. I really can't wait to make different looks with this palette. And if you guys are still watching, congrats, because we are giving away an Explorer palette to one lucky winner. All you have to do and I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already and join the hashtag Gucci from my guts, please. And yup, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Peace out.